Hello friends, welcome to Java Swing tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of the video, drag and drop on JList. Here in this example, the following components are involved. We use a panel, toolbar, button group, JToggle button. All those components are used. Also in this video you will see how this example will work. So here we are not going to create the example, but we will see what is involved in this example, and in the next 5 parts we will start developing this example. So this example will explain how drag and drop works between two JList. So this is what we saw in the previous video. So in the previous video we learned about the drag and drop basics, especially when we consider JList. So here if you see, we have a toolbar, and in this toolbar we placed 4 buttons. You can turn on or off these buttons. So here in the screenshot you are seeing that the selection mode is turned on. So likewise, if you turn on the insert button will be toggled to on, and this selection button toggled off. So likewise you can define the drop mode. So in the previous video we talked about the drop modes. So here you can turn on any one of the drop mode. Then this is the source list. This is a JList 1, and in the other side you are seeing JList 2. So we perform drag and drop between these two lists. So first you will select one or more item. So when we are developing, we will develop this JList as a multi-select list. Say for example, you can select one or more item, then you can start dragging it and drop it anywhere in the list. So when you are dropping, so the time these drop modes comes into picture. So here in this toolbar we have drop modes defined. So when we are dragging and dropping, we support both move as well as copy operation. So this is bound to the source list box. So when we come to the drop target, these 4 modes comes into picture. If you see here, our example contains a frame window. So here in this frame window, first we will add a toolbar, and in that toolbar we will place our toggle buttons. After that, here we will place a panel. So these are all actually JToggle buttons. Since these are all toggle button, it is grouped under a button group. Alright, after this we will place 2 list boxes, source and then target. So if you see here, the panel will make use of grid layout to arrange those 2 JList. So this is JList 1, then this is JList 2. So that's all the component we will use. And if you quickly summarize, we use JFrame. Then inside JFrame we will create JToolbar, and inside the JToolbar we will create JToggle buttons. After that we will group those toggle button under a button group. Finally we will create JList1 and JList2, and we will add it to the JPanel. So that's all the component used in the example. So from next video onwards we will start implementing this example, and we will study the drag and drop behavior. So the drag and drop between JList involves a special class that you need to derive, and then you have to provide support for copy, move, as well as these 4 type of selection. That means drop mode. So drop mode we have to write code to support it manually. All right, that's all here in this video. So there is no demo on this video also. Thank you for watching. Bye.